Welcome back to HDC Performance. On today's video, we're going to swap out the whole front end of the Cat-Eye. We were able to get the whole front from a friend of ours. He had a truck, igualita. It was made at cabina. It was all totaled from the back, and we were able to get him to sell us the whole front part. Gave him the hood, the two fenders, he had a bumper. And we decided to nickname the truck. I think we're going to go with Stitch. Como que sí le queda. Alright now, let's get it. And here we are, halfway. Took out the fenders. Grill. Look at that. When we were doing this, we also thought about an idea. Ya cuando we changed the motor and we put the 5.3 we have over from the Yukon and put it in here, we're gonna take all these fenders off again, and then we just take the radiator and all this off, and we just slide the motor in here, make it much easier. And the final result, miren cómo quedó. Qué chulada. Take a quick look around. I think we're gonna put some gas on the little paint, lo que le quite. But overall, como quedó más o menos. Ahí va quedando. I'm telling you, poco a poquito, pues va quedando. It's all dirty, but once we wash it, it'll look even better. My brother didn't want to throw the lights back on because they were old and dirty. Las dos rompidas. I'm probably going to order the original ones, and then later on order the ones I really want, the LED ones. The bumper's a little slanted. I think we're missing the screw down there, but we'll leave it for another day. Pero ahí vaya. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. We're doing a good job or not. Really good progress here, guys. Really good progress. We'll catch you next week.